Right, I have no idea how this video is going to go. Basically, I'm going to be sorting out my shed. It is an absolute tip right now. Haven't been in there in ages. I need to make space. I want to turn it into a proper workshop and part of a gym. But at the moment, there is no room to do anything. Everything is overgrown, and you'll understand that in a second. Yes. After the bush outside is growing in the shed, it is just full of bikes and shit just about everywhere. Surprisingly enough, I do have a plan, but I have no idea where to start. First thing I need to do is get the bikes out and clear on top of my workbench and underneath it. There's 5 bikes out. There's still 2 more in here, but they're not in the way. I'm going to clear underneath the workbench first. Right, that's all done, clean and hoovered. The reason I wanted underneath clear was because I bought some stuff from work that should help me store stuff. Giving the top a nice wipe, everything's cleared. I have done the same old trick of moving things to a different place. The roll cab has just worked quite good. It fits under there perfectly, and I've managed to get all the crap that was on the workbench in there nicely. I still need to sort out these individual compartments, but that can be done another day. Just cleared that massive multi-gym thing which I hardly ever use, and there's so much more space. It's a bit annoying to disassemble, but I'm either going to sell it really cheap or just scrap it. Quick update. The last time I filmed anything for this video was about 6 months ago. Loads more space in here. Gonna have the workbench here now. Bought this from work ages ago, and this is gonna be my new workbench. You'll see in a minute. That's the first one done. That really didn't take me as long as I thought it was going to. I'm gonna have 2 of these, one there, one across there, but this one's going to have 3 shelves. It's finished. That took me all in all about 20 minutes to build, and it was so quick and easy. All I've got to do left is put the CD badge on. I've just bought loads of stuff from work to complete my soon-to-be new workshop. got everything from a new pegboard. It's got loads of bits to go on it. A really good extension lead, 4 sockets, USB, glue gun, hot air gun, all the bits you need. Even the stuff I don't even need, loads. But the best buy is a bike workshop toolkit. And finally, a bike stand. To really make it a proper workshop. I'm getting rid of this crappy carpet, and I bought my favourite thing from work. Checker plate floor tiles. And I'll do those in a minute. This is where I'm at now. Took everything out, absolutely everything, got the carpet up, was ready to lay these floor tiles, and then the sticky bit didn't stick to the concrete because it's too rough. I've decided I'm not going to peel them and stick them. I'm going to cut the outside of the stick off like I have done here and just lay them flat. So I've just got the floor tiles down. My mate helped me out. I'm very happy with my new bike stand. What I've just done is cut some more carpet out here and put 2 tiles there. I've taken the 2 tiles from the door because this stuff, I can clearly see it's picking up the water from my shoes. So you kind of need, put this here so you can wipe your feet. I've just kind of remembered that I've got this bit of fabric off the ceiling because I used to sleep in here in the summer. I used to have a bed over underneath. That would stop the sun coming in and waking me up really early. I'm going to take that down and hopefully it'll let more natural light in. Last night, I was in here only for a little bit. I've got my extension lead on the side, it fits perfectly. And I also got my TV up, it's sitting on the wall. Just cleared on top and roll cab and just bits of rubbish around here. Sorted a few of the drawers out. Got probably the most common tools that I can't fit on the pegboard. And there, random crap just in there. Sprays, more bits which I just haven't quite used yet. More random crap in this one. And then bigger just tools and whatnot in there. Got your pot of grease, which you always need. Hung that one up out of the way, and I've just parked the bikes in the corner. Got one of the crappier bikes up the garden. I do have this which I bought from work, but I just don't like it. It takes up so much space and it doesn't actually keep the bikes sturdy. So nearly there, very nearly finished. Just got to find a home for a few more little bits and bobs, give them their place, and we've sorted. The shed is complete.